Hey, welcome to the Meet Hour Help tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to raise funds via Click&Pledge Connect on Meet Hour video conference in desktop or web. Assuming you have Click&Pledge Connect campaign already set up. If you are not aware of how to create a Click&Pledge Connect campaign, look at the link in the description below. Note, you can use both form URL and widget URL in Meet Hour. Let us begin. Step 1. After you join the meeting, go to More Options, click on C&P Connect Settings. A pop-up window will open asking for your C&P Connect donation campaign URL. Step 2. Go to your Click&Pledge Connect campaign and copy the campaign URL from the address bar. Now, come back to the Meet Hour meeting and paste the link. Later, click the OK button for Meet Hour to pull your campaign details, and Donate button will be visible. Step 3. Once other participants click Donate button, they will see a pop-up window and can donate without interruption to the video conference. That's it. Now you can accept donations from desktop and mobile. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Enjoy free video conference by Meet Hour. Please subscribe to our channel to stay connected with the latest updates.